Meaning of high beams.
High beams.
High beams.
High beams.
High beams. High beams refer to the headlights on a vehicle that provide maximum illumination for the driver. These headlights are typically used in rural or unlit areas when there is no other traffic around. High beams produce a brighter and wider beam of light than low beams, allowing drivers to see further down the road. However, they can also be blinding to other drivers if not used responsibly. It is important to switch to low beams when there is oncoming traffic or when following closely behind another vehicle to avoid causing accidents or discomfort for other drivers.